my dollars make it hurt.
Hello guys, we are doing paper 2016 May June. It's a summer paper and we are doing paper 2 and variation 2. So paper 22 it is paper 22, and in this we are going to solve document production, that is MS Word. Here you work for a company called Tawara Yacht Brokers who buy and sell luxury boats. You're going to perform some clerical tasks for this company. Okay, this is about the tasks that's about Tawara Yacht Brokers. So they are giving us some tasks like MS Word we have and Access we have and all. Okay, fine. Now, task 1, evidence document. Open the file J226 evidence.rtf. Then make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So we have to open the file, this J226 evidence.rtf from our folder, from source files. Then what we have to do, we have to enter all the details like your number, center number, candidate number, and the name. All these we have to enter and save this document in your work area as the same name, and it is followed by the candidate number. Fine, so these are all things we are going to do right now. Fine, and this document will be needed as we are doing the rest of the steps. We have to add the evidences there. Fine, let's open now this J226 evidence.rtf. So for that we have to go to our folder. So this is our folder. Yes, so 2016, you can see there 2016 May June and paper 22. So in this we have evidence, see J226 evidence.rtf, and here when I upload a video, so under that you can just have a link. You can click on that and you will get source files to be downloaded. Please make use of that. Okay, you will have a link in the description for downloading the fresh files, the source files of this video, and then you can practice in your systems. Yeah, this is a file, evidence file it is. Evidence file it is. And here on the here what is said in the question paper, write your name, center number, and candidate number, and that has to appear on every page of this document. In the sense, how on every page of the document will appear the same information when we type in the header. Fine, on every page it appears if you enter on one page in the header. So here we'll go to insert and header. We have to go for 3 columns, blank 3 columns here. Fine, so the first one is our name. Okay, and second one is the center number. Center number is anything fake number we are going to use right now. Once you realize it in your board exam, you will have your own all the details, perfect details there, then you will enter. But for now we are entering a fake center number, just like this. And candidate number, just take your name, and add a number to it. Fine, and just click outside. Yeah, so this header details will become green color, and even you can, even if you go to the next page, you will find the details in the header. See there. Okay, and now this we have to save. We have a file name as well, right? We have to save the same name, and we have to add our candidate number, but we have to save in our own folder. In the same folder we have to save. Fine, it is save in the same folder. This one, right? This one. Then just add, you can just use the underscore, or just you can use the same. I'll add like this, and you have to save it as Word document. Okay, save it as Word document. Save. Okay, this will just minimize it and keep. This will be needed as we are doing the steps in the question paper. Now, so this part is done fully. Task 2, document. You're going to edit a report for Tavara Yacht Brokers. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles should be created and applied as instructed. All imported data should have the TYP body text style applied unless otherwise instructed. Okay, so the rest of the data we are going to use this style. Okay, if any particular data has to get some different style, they will clearly mention in the steps. That's what they are saying here. Otherwise, we have to add this style, body style, for the text, for the whole text. All imported data should have the TYP body text style applied unless otherwise instructed. Okay, now what we're going to do, this is noted, this is important point is there in that. Now step 1, using a suitable software package, open the file J226 super.rtf. .rtf, rich text format. RTF stands for rich text format. This is mainly for the word processor documents. This is the simplest and easiest format of the file, the documented file. Now let's open this file. Go to the folder, your folder, keep open your folder, and where is the super? This is a super. Can you see there? Super. Yeah, it's going to open like this. Okay, now let's see what we have to do more. Open the question paper. Page size to A4. Set the, okay, set the, all this we have to set. So set the page size to A4. Now let me just open that just now the file, super file. I have to set the page size to A4. So for that we have to go here, we have to go to layout, size, A4. Next, orientation to landscape, top and bottom margins to 1.5 centimeters, left and right margins to 2 centimeters. Sorry. Here orientation to landscape. First let me do that. Orientation again under layout, orientation to landscape. Okay, so just let me reduce, zoom in. Fine, this is the one. Okay, this is a landscape orientation. Now we have to set the margins. If you see over here, these two are done, right? Now a top and bottom margins to 1.5 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters margins. So for that, see, here are the steps. Under layout, margins, custom margins. Okay, see top and bottom here. So top is 1.5 cm. Okay, centimeters, it is in centimeters, cm. Now here again 1.5 cm, again cm only. Make sure you're typing in cm without any other marks like quotes and all. Make sure you remove them. Okay, then just click OK. Fine, we can see a bit change in the look of the paper. Now this is done. Bottom, top and bottom are done. Left and right margins to 2 centimeters. Now left and right, again go back to layout, margins, custom margins. Now see, if you see here, it's changed to inches. Don't worry, that is converted to inches, but it is in centimeters, it is 1.5 only. Okay, don't worry about it. Now even if after changing this left and right also, it will change to the inches only, though we are typing in centimeters. Now this is how much, or what is about left and right? 2 centimeters each. 2 cm, I'm typing in 2 cm and 2 cm. Okay, okay, yes, left and right it is. Fine. Now after this, just save the work. Not yet saved, right? Okay, fine. Now this also done. Evidence 1 now. Take a screenshot to show the page size. Place this in your evidence document. Page size, only one evidence they want, and another evidence as well to show the margin settings. Place this in your evidence document as evidence 2. Okay, now one is the size and the other one is the margins. Okay, first let me take the size. Here under layout, open size, and here you see, we can see A4 is selected. Keep it open. Yes, this option, and let's go for light shot, or you can just press print screen button on your keyboard. Fine. Now let me just open the size. Now I'll press print screen button on my keyboard. Print screen button, it is on the top, just above the backspace key, on the topmost line of your keyboard. Okay, it's written PRTSC. Fine, just click that. Then I'm just cropping how much I need. Else even the whole page also, you can just take a screenshot as it is. Okay, I'm just taking from here to here. Okay, I'm just covering. I will make sure that this A4 has been selected and it's coming in the screenshot, and just take a copy. Now go to the evidence, and under this step 1 we have to place that screenshot. Fine, if you want you can just reduce the size of it like this. Okay, save, and let's go to another screenshot as well, right? This one. Fine, let me just go to my document, and margins I have to open, custom margins. This dialog I have to keep open. Yes, now I have to take a screenshot of this. Fine, so press the print screen button and then just take a screenshot like this. Crop it how much you need, but make sure this dialog is appearing over there. Then copy, go to evidence, and I have to cancel it. Okay, now I have to go to here, then under evidence 2 I have to paste it. Okay, I have to paste this. This is the second one. Just once press save, and let's get back to the question. These two are done. Now save the document in your work area with a file name broker. Yeah, from super to now broker. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software we are using. That means MS Word we have to save it with. And here evidence 3 as well, we have saying that a screenshot to show this file is being saved, and make sure the evidence got the file type as well. Okay, fine. Now let's go to our document. I have to save this file, save as. In the same folder I have to save, find where all my files there, and I have to just change to broker. Fine. The name they told me to just keep us which one, broker. And see, save as type to Word document since we are working in MS Word. Fine, and save. Now I have to take a screenshot of this file being saved. Just go to your folder, fine. Here, where is my broker? See, this is my broker. Just open this we have to see this Microsoft Word document file type. We have to see, just select it, keep selected, fine, keep selected, and use a print screen button on your keyboard. Now I'll take a screenshot, I'll crop this much, and I will just highlight where my file is being saved. Fine, so this is my file, right? This is my file. And where is the Word document? Just I saved it as a Word document. See, this I saved it with as. Okay, now just copy. Now go to your evidence over here. The third evidence shows that. Okay, paste there. Okay, this is the third evidence. Save, and let's get back to the question. Now question 2 as well done for me. 3. Place in the header an automated file name and a path, right align. Automated file name and a path, right align, right side. Your writers, it's right. Okay, your writers, it's right. And what they want, automated file name there. Fine. In the header. Okay, just let me open this document, broker. Now I have to go to insert, header, then just take 3 column, no problem. Now right side we have to start with. Fine. Right side they wanted what? The automated file name. So click the rightmost type here. Okay, now we have to go here under header footer. You see there under header footer the menu is open. Oh, now come to this insert part. Click this quick paths, down arrow, field. Now in this we have to go to file name. Sorry, once again let me do that. Okay, let's go back. Field, under in this we have to go to file name, file name. Okay, now we have to click this one, add path to file name. Fine, then okay, you see now this is my path, and towards it is extreme right. See, it's very long, it's coming to the next line as well. So I'll just remove this, the middle one, type here, so it'll fit in the right side, extreme right. Perfect. Fine. Now anything more? Place in the footer automated page numbers, left align, your name, sentence number, candidate number, right align. Okay, that much only in the header. Fine, only this much in the header, so I'll remove even this. Save the work, then click in the document. Now this is what the header, towards right the automated file name. Now let's go down to the footer. Footer also we have to insert some details. Again, see your insert, footer, 3 column. Fine, I guess we have 2 details to enter. What are there? One is left align and page number. Okay, left align, and our details, right align. Okay, now first left align part I'll do here. Okay, this is left align, extreme left, and we have to insert the page numbers. Now here come there, here these are the what, type here, select it again, go to under this header footer menu. When the header footer is active, this menu opens up. Okay, now go to quick paths again, field. Now go to page over here in this page, PAGE, page. Look at that. And here are the formats of the numbers. Okay, even if you don't give automatic one, default format will come just like this, number 1 to 3s. Okay, then click OK. See, number 1 came here. Okay, maybe on the other page it's number 2. Look at that. Fine. So automatically it keeps on incrementing. This is done one side. Now I don't need the middle information. Now come to the extreme right, where I have to enter my details. Just with a comma, separate the details. Center number and candidate number. Fine. Towards extreme right. Okay, this is the one, done fully. Now question 3 half is done. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text is included in the header and the footer. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Yeah, this we already made sure. We don't have any extra text, anything in that header footer. Just we can have a look at this. See, only here we have just the path, and here at the bottom just we have a number, a page number, and our details. Okay, so this is fully clear. Now question number 4, create the following paragraph styles. So these are the corporate house styles, we call them, where they are customized, tailor-made styles as per our requirement. If we create style, that will become corporate styles, and these are the ones we can apply to any kind of any advanced text as well. They exactly behave as already built-in styles. Fine, so now let's go for it. Create the following paragraph styles. House style specifications, we have 1 2 3 4 5 we have. Now just copy the first one. Here you can just, since it's electronic question paper, you can copy paste and all you can do, but in the board exam you will get a hard copy in your hand. Okay, so you have to type them, looking at each and every spelling, the letter and all, and capital, small, everything perfectly. Fine, now let's make use of this having electronic paper. Okay, now just let's copy. I copied it. Now let's go to our broker document. Fine, and here you have to make sure one important is point is just keep the cursor here. Keep the cursor out of the text in the blank area. Let it blink there, away from the text, before doing any styles. Okay, my cursor is blinking over here. Now I'm going to start the styles. See, my cursor came over here. Okay, now let me just go here, open this down arrow key, create a style. Now what I just copied and brought, just paste that here. Okay, the first style I copied and brought, right? That one I pasted over here, modify. Now I have to check in the question paper, font style sans serif, font size 36. Okay, just let's go back to the document. Font style is here sans serif. We have Microsoft sans serif. Fine, so just take that. Then 36. 36 is the size. And more. Alignment right, bold, italic, single. Alignment. Here is alignment is right, bold, italic, and single line spacing. It's already selected. And space before 0, space after 0. So there is no spacing arrangements. Just see here, you can see all the details came up over here. Fine. Now that is end. So we don't have anything 0 0 spacing. So here is a spacing. Sorry. Now this one here, format, paragraph. Here we set the spacing. Okay. So since it's 0 0, it's already there. Okay. Okay. Now the style one is done. You can see over here. See, new style came up over here. Now let's go for the second one. Just copy this subtitle, Control C. Now let's go to our document. Click on a down arrow, create a style, paste that, modify. Now let's see more. What else there? Sans serif 18 left. Sans serif already there. Now here it's 18 and this is left. Underline, single spacing 0 0. Underline. Here we have to remove this all. Okay, rest all we have to remove if anything is there. Okay, just only underline for them. Right, here is only underline. Yes, here is only underline. Fine. And single line spacing is there already. Yes, done. All are done. Okay. Fine. Here we got, see there. Second style we got. Now let's go for the third one. YTB subheading it is. Just I'm copying this. Select and copy. Now get back. Open down arrow over here. Again, create style. Paste that. Third one. Modify. Now let me see. Just I'll remove all the stuff what this previous style got. Here, sans serif 16 center. Sans serif is already there. Now it's 16, and here it is a center. All capitals, bold, single. All capitals they want. Okay. It's bold is there, bold, single line spacing. Now all capitals we have to set from other option. That's under format. We have font. Here you see all caps. Okay. Okay. Anything else left? Here is another one. Space after is 12. Space before 0. Space after is 12. Okay. For that we have to go to format and paragraph. So in the space before 0 but space after we have to enter over here 12. Okay. Rest all we set. Okay. Now you can click OK. You can see another. See, this is the one. You can see it's getting added over there. Yes, 3 styles we created till now. Now let's go for the fourth one. Now TYB body. Just copy this. Control C. Now let's go to broker. Now click down arrow, create a style, paste that, modify. Now what are the specifications of this? Serif 12 justified. We have sans serif only. We don't have any specifically serif. Okay, we're going to use just as it is. Then what's next? 12 justified. Here the size is 12 and this is justified. Right? I have to remove that capitals and all. Okay, go to this and just remove this. And what else? No enhancement at all. Single and space after is 12. No enhancement at all. Just make sure nothing is clicked there. Nothing is clicked there. Fine. Then we have only one space after. Here it is already there. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I got the fourth one. Look at that. Here. Now let's go for the fifth one and the last one. TYB table, Control C, copied. Now let's go to broker document. Make sure your cursor is blinking out there, and then down arrow key, create a style. Now paste that, modify. Now let me see what are the specifications. Serif 12 left, serif 12, and now it is left. Then no enhancement, single 0 0, simple. So make sure nothing is clicked over there. Find single line spacing and everything is fine. Okay, so we got a fifth one as well. Look at here. So we got all 5. 1 2 3 4 5. These are the ones we created, right? Okay, perfect. Now what's next? Question 4 is fully done. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show all the settings for the YTB subheading style. Subheading style, they want to see how did we set that all. For that we have to go to broker document, subheading. Where is that subheading? This is one. So right click, modify. Okay, now this will open. Here we have to take a screenshot. Okay, we have to take a screenshot. You can see all the details over here appearing. Fine. Now let's press print screen button on your keyboard, then just crop how much you need, just like this. Fine. Make sure the dialog is clearly in the cropping, within the crop. Fine. Now just copy. Okay, go to your evidence, and as fourth evidence we have to paste. Okay, to save, and let's get back to the question. Fine. Now question number 5. At the start of the document, enter the title Tawara Yach Brokers at the start of the document. Okay, now just let me go to my document here. So just click in the beginning first. Okay, click in the beginning, then press enter, then up arrow key. Now Tawara, are they capitals? No, they are not capitals. Tawara Yach Brokers. Fine. Save. Next. Okay, fifth one is done. Apply the TYB title style to this text. Okay, select it. Just now we created these all styles. Select and YTB title. Okay, save. Now next, sixth is done. Below the title, add a subtitle, draft report by, and add your name. Draft, here again, just click in the beginning of the text, press enter, and go to the press up arrow key. Okay, draft edited by, and we have to type in our name. Okay, done. And draft report by, draft report by, and we have to add which one? Subtitle, YTB subtitle to this. Select subtitle, this subtitle. Okay, done. Save. Okay, question number 8 is done. Apply the TYB body text style to the rest of the document. Okay, now let's come here, just select the rest of the document. Select the rest of the document till the paragraph only. Okay, now body, where is that? This is the body. Okay, done. Save. 9 is also done. Question number 10 now. Change the page layout so that all the text after the first paragraph is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 2 centimeters between them. Okay, after the first paragraph they want us to create the columns. Leave the first paragraph from second paragraph onwards. Okay, including that heading, just only the text, till text only you have to select. Okay, we are creating columns, 2 columns. Okay, select the whole document after the first paragraph. Look at that, how I started. Now layout, columns, more columns. Here select 2 and space is 2 centimeters, 2 cm. Okay, okay, it will be like this. 2 centimeters too wide, right? Okay, fine. Save. Next. 11. Identify the 6 subheadings in the document and apply the YTB subheading style to each one. Okay, where are the 6 subheadings? 6 subheadings. Here is 1, and we have to apply which ones? Just go home. What is the, which one we have to apply? Subheading 1. Okay, just select, click. See here, the one, the style we created, that. Fine. Now you can just take a format painter. Again, format painter. Again, click format painter. 3 we got till now. You can see the cursor how it's changing once I clicked on format painter. Then we have the 5th one here. Again, click on format painter. 6th one. Yeah, these are the 6th. Done. Okay, save. Now here 11 is also done. Using data in the table, this will do in the second part. Fine. Question number 12 onwards we are going to do in the second part. It's going very long. This is a different set of this. From here it's a different set of questions having this the table formats, and we have to create all those stuff. Okay, now chart we are going to create and all, insert and all. So that we'll do in the second part of this session. Okay, bye.